Thanks for your interest in hiring us to build your bot. Really briefly, I want to take a minute and explain to you our process for building bots and specifically driving momentum and sales for you on using Messenger for your Amazon business. Really quick, my name is Michelle Barnum Smith. And I've been doing marketing for almost 20 years. I have had the opportunity to work with some of the largest companies in the world, building out their marketing campaigns and efforts. And in the last 6 years, I've also had the opportunity to have my own digital marketing agency and have been using Messenger pretty much since its beginning as a marketing platform. And since then, I've had the opportunity to work with over 50 sellers, product sellers, where we have had the opportunity to really see what's working and what's not working as it relates to Messenger and selling product with and through Amazon and other e-commerce platforms. And there's a few lessons that we've learned. The first is we've learned what Amazon cares about and what they don't care about. There's two things that Amazon cares about. They care about themselves and they care about their customers. And who they don't care about are their Amazon sellers. Sorry, you're probably aware of this, but really when it comes down to it, winning on Amazon is constantly changing because they're always moving the goalposts. What used to work isn't working anymore. And as well as sometimes they're just straight up changing their algorithms or introducing new things that can wipe out really key and important areas in your business. Maybe you personally have experienced or known other people who have lost reviews. Maybe pay-per-click isn't working like it used to. Maybe you've lost a buy box. Some random thing happened. All sorts of things are going on that make it difficult to win on Amazon. But what is working on Amazon and in the race for relevance, really outsized sales and driving external traffic to Amazon is winning. And what's one of the best sources of driving traffic is your own list built through Facebook Messenger. Now, when it comes to Messenger, I want to do a brief quick history. Amazon Messenger has been a platform that people have been able to use to communicate with friends and family since 2014. And it's only been in the last few years that Messenger has been opened up as an opportunity for businesses to take advantage of to build their own subscriber base and to be able to communicate with customers. Now, why Messenger is such a hot platform right now comes down to one word: engagement. And engagement looks like the difference between pretty much email campaigns and Messenger campaigns. Let me show you a few examples. A great example of this engagement is the difference between your open rates between email and Messenger. Now, having had a digital marketing agency for the last 6 years, I've done my fair share of email campaigns and writing all of this copy, going through all this effort, graphic design, HTML development, all of it, right? And at the end of the day, a really good open rate considered industry standard was about 20%. So that means 80% of the people on your list never even opened or engaged with your message. And so you'd have to build these massive, massive email lists to be able to get even just a small percentage of engagement. Whereas with Messenger, you're getting a 90% engagement. And so you really don't have to build a massive list to be able to get crazy engagement and momentum for your brands and your products. Another example is the average read time. Now, Messenger has an average read time of 3 seconds. So that means from the time somebody receives a message to the time they actually read it is 3 seconds. Now, I want you to think about your email inbox. And when you get an email, what's the first thing that you do? Probably nothing. You probably don't read it. You think about, if it is important, you'll probably read it within an hour. But most of the time, the standard behavior is to skim your inbox, look for those things that are most important, and then just delete the rest. Never opening those messages, never engaging with the content, and then of course never taking action on their calls to action. So having a 3-second read time is insane, and one of the reasons why this is such a hot and important marketing platform to take advantage of right now. Also, because this is a Facebook app, because it's Facebook Messenger, there's already 1 billion users on this platform. As you know, Facebook itself has many billions of users. And so Messenger already has that base to take advantage of. And when it comes to your customers, they're absolutely using Messenger already to communicate with their friends and family. And you can rest assured that this is a great opportunity for you to take advantage of for your business. Now, how do you catch the wave to take advantage of Messenger? Now, something important to know is that Messenger is a platform that any type of business can use. It's not an Amazon or e-commerce specific tool. So when it comes to using Messenger, you really need to find the best practices that work specifically for your type of business. Lucky for you, because we focus on Amazon, we already know what those best practices are and how to actually get you momentum and what we call the 3 R's of Messenger momentum: ranking, reviews, and those, of course, result in revenue through organic traffic from Amazon specifically. Now, our process for getting you this momentum is essentially three phases. First, we focus on building a responsive subscriber base, or building, essentially building out your list on Messenger. From there, we want to convert people to customers as quickly as possible and drive velocity for new and existing products that you have to offer. And then, of course, as part of that, we want to harvest reviews along the way and build reviews for your listings and your products as we do that. So what's included in our process in each of these 3 steps? In the first phase, we build your subscriber base with giveaway contests and campaigns. We found that those work the best. So if we're driving Facebook, we set up Facebook ad campaigns promoting a giveaway of one of your products or maybe a bundle of your products to attract subscribers. Then on the back end, once they become subscribers, we want to present them with an offer as quickly as possible to actually convert them into customers. And this whole process is about a 2 to 4 week phase of our engagement. And during that time, we're looking to build your list to about 1,500 subscribers is pretty much the sweet spot that we've found is a good amount. Of course, we can leave campaigns running and continue to build your subscriber base, but about 1,500 subscribers is a great starting point for the next phase, which is to drive velocity for new and existing products. Now, included in this phase, we can either do 2 lightning deal broadcasts specifically to your subscribers, or we can do 1 product launch for a new product that you're launching on Amazon. And we don't list everything included in that product launch, but it here on this sheet, but it is a 5-phased approach to launch your product, get that momentum, get you some growth and a good sales history established so that you can rank for the keywords that you want, get reviews, and be able to get that organic presence on Amazon. So in this phase of the engagement, this is weeks 4 to 8 in the engagement. And then for harvesting reviews, we work the review process into pretty much every step along the way, but specifically during the flows for your product launch or your campaign deals that you're wanting to offer in the second phase. We build out review follow-up into those actual campaigns. And then we also set up a review funnel for your Amazon customers on Facebook to try to capture those people and to bring them into Messenger and be able to follow up with them and request reviews, or to be able to provide customer service if they have any problems with the products. Thus also avoiding negative reviews as well. So this is our process. If you're interested in getting started with us, you can schedule a call to chat with us now and to educate us on your products, your objectives, and of course, how we can help you accomplish those as well.